And hello there again, Francis folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is a Gundam suit from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. We have the Rising Freedom Gundam. So as you can see the box art, I think, or maybe this may be a part of a scene in the movie. But we see here Rising Freedom Gundam and its new feature, the MA form or a mobile armor form. Yep. And of course, it is from the SSDS 909 Compass mobile suit. So this is something new. It's not saying orb, it's not saying ZAF or anything. Okay, now off to the side, we see they are introducing something new, which is the Seed Action System, where it shows, or rather it gives the mobile suit or the gunpla here more movements for the neck, the shoulder, and as well as the body. Aside from the up crunch that they introduced earlier, it can do side to side now. And of course, some gimmicks that you have here. We have the flying shield boomerang, same as Freedom or Strike Freedom. It deploys all its guns and goes firing at them. More extendability in the hips here, and of course the change form into an MA form. Yep, and of course a double sword. And this is the 243rd HG for the Cosmic Era. And we see here Rising Freedom Gundam in the unpainted state. We see it here, details about the movie, and yeah, that's all. Now let's see what's inside the box. First off, we are greeted with one bag with 3 sprues, a multicolored one, all gray and all white, and a big sticker sheet. Okay. Second bag contains 3 more sprues of monocolors. We see all blue, all gray, and this dark, what's this, dark purple, dark blue, dark navy. Yeah. Next bag, three more sprues, all white, beam saber effects, and the iconic blue. Next up, 2 more sprues with a light gray and that dark color that we had there. And of course the instruction manual, which is something new for an HG. Yeah, see, it's an open booklet manual, much more like the RGs. Yeah, see. So that's what's inside the box. Let's take a look individually at the sprues. And first off, we had the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some red, we have some yellow, and some white, and of course a clear blue. Not just any clear blue, it's translucent plastic, same as the Shin Burning Gundam. Yep, there you have it. So that's the A sprue here. We have a B1 sprue, which is all white. Of course, there is a B2 sprue as well, wherein only sections of B1 was taken. So B1 and B2 here, yeah. We have a C1, which is all blue, and it comes with a corresponding C2, which is just again taking parts from C1 and duplicating it. We have also an all gray part, which is the D1 here, and also another all gray part, which is the D2. I don't see anywhere they could be the same. Here it is. Yep. So the D1 and the D2. We also have an E1, so most likely the wings, and an E2. Yeah, there we go. That's what it duplicated. We had an F1, which is a light gray color, good for color separation, and an F2, which is all the beam effects. But unfortunately, we have a really big sticker sheet. Yep. And of course, if we check the instruction manual, we don't know who is the pilot and what the hell is or who is Compass. Is this Orb? Is this Zaf? Yeah, I don't know. Is it Earth Federation combined? We don't know. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/144 HG Rising Freedom Gundam from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie, which already came out last month, January 26th or 25th. And I haven't seen that movie yet. But let's keep a positive note and seeing this movie here and who really is Pilot and who or what is Compass. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving that like, hitting that notification bell, sharing the other videos, and viewing other videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.